Hi everyone! I'm in Paris right now. What is this? Lisa, welcome to the Villains Club! With love from Spotify. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh, this is so heavy. Wow. Lisa money. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, oops. I know what I'm gonna do with this. So I'm gonna start cooking. It's my favorite Thai dish. It's this omelet, like Thai style shrimp omelet. This is called Mackie. Every house in Thailand have to have this. It's like the best. Okay, I'm just adding a little bit of green onions. And voila! เพราะว่ารู้สึกว่ามันเป็นอะไรที่มันไม่น่าเชื่อเลยที่เพลงของหนูมันมีคนฟังเยอะขนาดนี้ค่ะภูมิใจในตัวเองด้วยแล้วก็อยากจะทำเพลงต่อไปแล้วก็อยากจะขอบคุณทุกๆคนที่ทำให้ฝันของหนูเป็นจริงเพราะว่าหนูรู้สึกว่ามันเป็นอะไรที่ยิ่งใหญ่มากที่หนูได้จอยอู้Wow, I'm so hungry right now. Story about money in 10 seconds. As soon as I heard it, I was like, this is my song. When I first got into the record room, just, I just feel like, oh, this is made for me. Yeah, it's one of my favorite songs and I'm so happy that you all loved it. Just gonna put the topping, a little spice on it. Done. Gonna move on to my favorite Thai dessert. I always have this when I go to my grandparents' house. But it's just the bread and they put a sticky rice and then they put like a coconut ice cream. My favorite perfume for money, Coachella. I was super nervous and after I finished I was crying. Yeah, that's the big stage. Put some toppings on it, corn and nuts. Done. I'm so happy to join this Villains Club. Thank you so much for loving money. You guys made this happen. น่าประทับใจแล้วก็เป็นสิ่งที่น่าจดจำไปตลอดชีวิตค่ะ